We are working from the green Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal. Right now we're into Chapter 2 and we're on 2.1 and we have some multiplying fraction examples here to work out. The directions are multiply, write the answer in simplest form. Here's number 3. Scroll down just a tad. The one thing that we will teach students is that it is legal and it is a good idea to cancel when you can. And what I mean by canceling is you have to find two numbers that are across from each other diagonally that work well with each other. Like for instance, 3 and 9. If we take 3 and we divide it by 3, we get 1. And then we take that same 3 out of here. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we can't cancel 8 and 5 because they have nothing in common. But we can cancel the 3 and 9. Then we just multiply the tops. 8 times 1 is 8. And 3 times 5 is 15. Multiplying fractions really is not too bad when you just have to multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. Sometimes we'll get lucky too with our canceling where we'll take the numbers out so we don't have to reduce the problems and put them in simplest terms because we've already canceled. Here comes example number 4. This one's a little bit more challenging because it has a mixed number in it. And in order for us to take care of this mixed number, we have to multiply 2 times 3 to get 6, and then we have to add the top one. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So that actually becomes 7 over 3. So our new problem, I'm just going to draw the new problem out over here. It is 7/8 times 7 over 3. If you look at your numbers, 8 and 7 have nothing in common, 7 and 3 have nothing in common. The only thing they have in common is 1, and you know that every number has 1 in common. Every whole number has 1 in common. So this time we just multiply the tops. 7 times 7 is 49, and 8 times 3 is 24. Then we do have to put this one in simplest terms, so we have to ask ourselves how many times does 24 go into 49, and we can do that off to the side. We just simply put 49 in the box, 24 outside the box. 24 does not go into 4. 24 does go into 49 twice. 48. And then we subtract. 49 minus 48 is 1. So your answer would be 2 and 1 over 24. 2 and 1 over 24. Reminder to cancel, if possible, when dealing with multiplying fractions. Remember, if you have a mixed number, you have to make sure you multiply the whole number times the bottom number and then add the top. 2 and 1/3 becomes 7 over 3.